friends, today we're gonna make binoculars. For that, we require these loops, one small, one big, another set with one small and one big. We're gonna take a stick and attach it to the smaller loop, like this. Now we're gonna attach the other edge of the stick to this bigger loop, like this. Now we're gonna attach another stick on both the loops like this. There you go. Now we take the other set of loops, the orange ones, and we do the same with these two. So the first stick goes here on both the loops. Similarly, the other stick, that goes here too. Like this. Alright, going back to the first one. You see the area of the loop here? We're gonna take more sticks and attach to both the loops here like this. Alright, we're gonna do one by one. Make sure it's steady. We've got more. We'll space them out. We only keep it on the one side, like this. Now with the other set of the loops, we do the same. We attach more sticks on the orange loops like this. Make sure it's steady. We'll do one by one. Make sure the sticks are attached properly. Alright, we're going to space them out on the one side too. Like this. Now we're going to take another stick. Make a gap between the sticks here, like this. And then we're going to place this stick in between, right here. Put them all together again. We'll do the same with the second set of loops too. And then put the sticks together back again. Now we're going to join the two set of loops with another stick. We take another white stick and put it towards the other side, parallel to the first one, like this, you see? Now we're going to take another stick, attach it here, and then on the stick on the other loop. One more to go, parallel to that. So we have 4 sticks on the 4 sides now. that holds the two set of loops together like this. Another stick goes in there in the middle of the two sticks. Slap it aside. Another stick. Scroll it aside too. There goes another one. Put them all together in the middle like this. We'll do the same on the other side. Attach the sticks and slide them in like this. Another one. We're going to attach that right here. Slide them all together, just like the other side. And this last one goes right here. Make sure it's steady. And the binoculars are ready! Yay! Wowkidz! Fun and learn! Fun and learn! Please subscribe to our channel today.